How to use OutSystems tutorial for beginners. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can use OutSystems. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on OutSystems, you can also use my affiliate link below the description, or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is OutSystems, it's a low-code development platform that enables enterprises to build, deploy, and manage mobile and web applications quickly and efficiently. And the platform provides everything you needed to create enterprise-grade applications, including visual development tools, a robust application server, and a scalable cloud infrastructure. And also, OutSystems allows developers to visually design applications, connect to data sources, and automate business processes, all without the need for extensive coding. And now to start using this platform, you could also click the Start Free button on the top right corner, in which upon clicking on it, you'll now be able to be directed on this page right here. And to start, just fill out all of the required information, including your first name and last name, then click OK button. And after that, it will also ask you, are you trying the OutSystem for your organization? And also, what is your business email address? So just enter here your email address in here and click OK button to proceed. And after that, just enter here your job title. I'm going to enter here CEO. And now for the last part, which is to enter your strong password in here. So after entering here your password, just click the OK button below here to proceed. And also check these boxes that indicate that you agree to the terms and condition. And proceed by clicking Disagree and Start Free button right here. And after that, it will now show you that your account has now been created at the moment. So all you need to do is to wait for it to load. Then you will be directed in here. And it says here that you also need to confirm your email address or to activate your account. So just go to your email inboxes and can deactivate your account on it. And after successfully activating your account, the next thing that you need to do is to simply log in your account in here, including your email address, and to enter your password in here. And upon clicking the login button, you'll now be able to be directed on the page about systems. So as you can see below here, it will show us all of the information about OutSystem in here, including the overview of it, and how we can build a fully functional application in here. As you can see on the top panel, we are here currently under My Platform, in which from here, it provides a visual and model-driven development environment that allows developers, business analysts, and other stakeholders to collaborate on building applications without the need for extensive hand coding. In which on the right side panel, it will show you the development how-tos, or the guide on how you can also start developing an application in here, including these guide paths to learn reactive web development with OutSystems and many more. Aside from that, under Tools, from here it will show you the Services Studio that you can install, the Integration Builder, Top Feedback, Users, and many more, in which you can navigate all of those tools and start creating or developing an application using this platform, in which the platform also offers a pre-built components, templates, and integrations that can be easily assembled to create a custom applications that meet specific business requirements. And by leveraging OutSystems' low-code capabilities, organizations can deliver a high-quality applications faster and more efficiently than traditional development methods. And also the platform's seamless integration with existing systems, enterprise-grade security, features, and support for scalability, making it a versatile solution for business looking to modernize their technology stack and accelerate their digital transformation efforts. Now moving on the top panel, you could also navigate here the community by clicking on this feature, in which it plays a crucial role in the platform purpose by providing a collaborative environment for developers, business analysts, and stakeholders to work together effectively. And the community also offers various resources, including training programs, documentation, and forums, to help users gain the necessary skills to leverage the platform efficiently. And the collaborative approach ensures that applications align with business goals and objectives. Now going back on this page right here, to start installing or downloading the application or OutSystem, just click this download button under Tools, which is Services Studio. By clicking this download button, we'll now be able to start downloading the application before opening the application in here. And now after opening the file of the downloaded application, we'll be able to see here on this pop-up window that we also need to install the application to start using this OutSystem application and start creating our own application. So just click the install button, and after that, it will show us in here that we need to simply log in our account in OutSystem. And after signing in, we will be able to see here that installing product catalog is now currently on process. So all we need to do is to wait for it to be fully installed. And after that, we'll now be able to see here that we've now successfully installed the application. So now all we need to do is to simply close this pop-up window right here. Then we can now start creating an application. And to do that, just click this new application button right here. And upon clicking on it, it will show us on this pop-up window the choices to create an application from scratch or using an application or template which is ready made up. And in those options, I'm going to choose from template or from an app. So kindly click the second option, and upon clicking on it, we'll now be able to be directed on this page. And from here, all we need to do is to simply select a kind of template that we want to use in creating an application. And in those options, I'm going to choose this product catalog. And now to proceed, just click the install button, and we will be able to be directed on this page right here. And as you can see under this product catalog, it will show us other details, including under develop, we have here the modules and other details below here. And now to start visiting or editing the application, or to start customizing, we can now proceed by simply clicking this edit button under this product catalog. And on this pop-up window, we could also simply click some of the color in here that you prefer and even change the title of this application. For instance, I'm going to enter here, as you can see, sample app. And after that, if we click the save button below here, we now go back to this page right here. And to start editing the content of the application template, just click this link right here, which is product catalog. By clicking on it, we'll now be able to be directed in here. And as you can see from this page, it will show us some of the content of our application template that we just selected, including the product favorite, product image, data model, and many other details in here. And by simply clicking to any of this element or content, we could also start customizing it on the right side panel. We have here processes, logic, data, product model, product rating, and many more. So from here, we can simply remove or add any other kind of data that we prefer to add in here. But let's say we're now done customizing, just click the publish button on the top panel to proceed. Then just wait for it to be fully published. And after that, we'll now be able to see here that this application has now been saved or has been published. So basically, the importance of creating an application in OutSystems lies in its ability to accelerate digital transformation, enhance application performance and security, facilitate cross-team collaboration, and ensure regulatory compliance. Now overall, that is just basically how you can use OutSystems. Thank you.